Okay, for you beginning door dashers, I just got something to let you know. This is very important. So you see I've got a tray there, and I've got my cup holder, I've got my hot bag, and I've got a pizza bag. Now, just to let you know, after a few days or after a few deliveries, DoorDash sends you a gift. Don't get too excited. It's a hot bag. Don't expect anything impressive. The thing is, I put this tote in here for two reasons. One, you don't spill anything, and two, if you need to and you got a large order, you can actually carry it up 2 flights of stairs and don't have to make 2 trips. Now, these are very important because I wasn't organized the first time I went out. I was just stupid. But now I'm organized and stupid. So organized stupidity works better than unorganized stupidity, just to let you know, because I'll tell you what I did the first time what was stupid. See that down there, there's a cup holder? I put somebody's lemonade in that cup holder. It was dark, I didn't see it, and the reason I know it was lemonade and the reason I know it was delicious is because about an hour later, when I did realize it, I drank it. I figured he was done with dinner, it was too late. And with that in mind, always remember that if you are going to screw up on an order, screw up on something you're going to want to eat later, not on tofu burgers or anything, because yeah, that's what's going to happen. If you leave it in the floorboard of your truck and realize it 2 hours later, it's too late. You might as well have it. But that's why I put absolutely everything for one order in that tote. And you can use a cardboard box, just make sure it's a good one, but put everything in it, and that way you know you get everything out of it. You can carry it to the door with you if you want, and then take everything out and set it. But that is about the smartest thing you can do, is just make sure everything is in one spot. You use your own cup holders, you're going to screw up and forget a drink. All right, have a good one. Take care, my beaches.